Most traders believe something very simple. If you want to make money in trading, you have to work harder. More charts, more indicators, more analysis. But here's the strange truth. The traders who often make the most money are actually the most bored traders in the market. They stare at charts less. They trade less. Sometimes they even look lazy. So the question is, why do bored traders often outperform everyone else? To understand this, let me tell you a story. Imagine a beginner trader named Alex. Alex wakes up every morning excited to trade. He opens 5 charts, then 10 charts. He adds indicators everywhere. RSI, MACD, moving averages. Alex believes the more information he has, the better trader he will become. So he watches every candle, every price movement, every small fluctuation in the market, and whenever he sees something interesting, he enters a trade. Sometimes he wins, but most of the time he loses, not because the market is against him, but because Alex trades too much. The professional trader. Now let's look at another trader. His name is Daniel. Daniel has been trading for many years. His trading desk looks very simple. Just a few charts, no clutter, no dozens of indicators. Most of the time, Daniel is doing nothing. He checks the charts, then he waits. Sometimes for hours, sometimes for days, sometimes even for weeks. To an outsider, Daniel looks bored, almost like he isn't working at all. But when the right setup appears, Daniel takes one trade. Just one. And that single trade often makes more money than Alex made the entire week. The hidden trap of trading. This is where many traders misunderstand the game. Trading feels like a job where activity equals progress. So beginners think more trades equals more profit. But trading works differently. In trading, activity often destroys profits. The more you trade, the more chances you give the market to take your money. Professional traders understand this. They know that the market only gives a few high-quality opportunities. Everything else is just noise. Why boredom is powerful? Boredom is actually a sign of discipline. When a trader is bored, it usually means one thing. They are waiting. Waiting for the right setup. Waiting for the right price level. Waiting for the right market conditions. Most traders cannot handle this waiting. They feel uncomfortable doing nothing. So they force trades, they chase the market, and slowly their account disappears. But the bored trader does the opposite. He waits patiently, and patience protects his capital. The real edge. Most people believe trading success comes from finding the perfect strategy. But experienced traders know something different. The real edge is selectivity. Not taking more trades, taking better trades. Imagine 2 traders. The first trader takes 30 trades per week. The second trader takes 3 trades per week. If the second trader only takes the best opportunities, he will often outperform the first trader, even if both traders use the exact same strategy. The psychological battle. The hardest part of trading is not learning indicators. It's controlling the urge to act. Humans are wired to solve problems with action. If something isn't happening, we want to change it. But in trading, doing nothing is often the best decision. Professional traders understand this paradox. They know that sometimes the most profitable trade is no trade at all. The market rewards patience. Think about how the market moves. Most of the time, price moves sideways, choppy, random, unclear. Only occasionally does the market create a clean trend or a strong setup. Those moments are where the real money is made. But to catch those moments, you must survive the boring parts. The difference between gamblers and traders. Gamblers love excitement. They want constant action. They want fast results. So they trade frequently. Professional traders are different. They accept boredom. They accept waiting. Because they understand something very important. Trading is not about excitement. It's about probability. And probability improves when you only take the best opportunities. The simple truth. So, when you see a professional trader sitting calmly at his desk, not clicking buy or sell, not reacting to every price movement, he may look lazy. But that boredom is actually discipline. It means he is protecting his capital. It means he is waiting for the moment when the market gives him an advantage. And when that moment comes, he acts with confidence. The final lesson: the market does not reward the busiest traders. It rewards the most patient traders. So if trading sometimes feels boring, that might actually be a good sign. Because boredom often means you are waiting for the right opportunity. And in trading, the traders who can wait the longest usually make the most money. If you found this idea interesting, there are many psychological concepts in trading that most people never talk about. Why smart traders lose, why patience beats strategy, and why trying too hard can actually make you lose money. If you want to understand these ideas better, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video.